My friend, protect the bag at all costs. So the coilovers have been on for a little bit of time now. It's been a little over a month, and I wanted to give it a little bit of time so I can give a proper review. Of course, you got to drive it in order to be able to review it. I'll put the windows up so y'all can hear me well. Super hot here in Florida today. Like 100 degrees it feels like. Anyway, I've been driving them for a little over a month now, and I like them a lot. I mean, there's a couple of things that I could just describe them as, but I can't really put it into words. For those of you worried about the performance aspect of it, which is what most people get it for, to track it, I personally don't track my car, but I did notice on corners, on like deep corners, that in comparison when I used to drive it, like for example, I want to show you, when you turn left and you do a hard turn, your car kind of tips over like this. I'll show y'all in a second. Skipped a fifth there. Sorry about that, guys. Just wanted to talk. Anyway, so when you're turning left, for example, your car, if you do a hard turn on stock suspension, your car kind of tips over like this, and you're kind of going like that, which is not good. You want your car to stay straight and level, nice and self-centered, kind of go like that. So I remember when I used to turn, it will go like that, and although these are bucket seats, I would kind of still feel like I would be tipping over to the right a little bit. You know, the seat kind of held me in pretty well, but I was still like I would be tipping over. Now with the coilovers, you know, like I said, I don't track my car, but I do go through some deep corners sometimes, and I purposely drop a gear and kind of floor it a little bit to see how that feels like. And I don't feel like that happens. I feel that I'm still centered. I'm still centered right here. The bucket seats are doing their job, and the coilovers are also doing their job, because I don't feel my car doing like that anymore. I feel like it's going straight. So for those of you that are, you know, worried about the performance aspect, that's the best I can give you, because again, I don't track it. That's just what I've noticed. And another thing is the car, you really feel the road a lot more. And this is one of those things that I'm not gonna be able to put in words very well for you guys. It's just, this is one of those things that you have to do yourself to understand. But I'm still gonna try. So like, you feel the road a lot more. I mean, you are lower, so when it comes to like potholes and like when the road is not smooth, you feel that vibration and you just feel it more. And a lot of people don't like that, or probably won't. I personally do, because in a way I feel like I'm in like more connected to my car, because you feel the road more, you feel the car more, you feel everything that it's doing. You feel the, like every time you switch gears, you feel the clutch, and like the tires, every time you do like a little burnout, like you feel all that little things, you feel it more. And I don't know, I can't describe it. You got to get coilovers yourself, I guess, and experience it your own self. But I don't know, I like that too. So overall, I mean, it's only been a little over a month. I do like them. Nothing weird's happening, nothing's broken. All the bolts are still tight. I just went in to double check like last week, just make sure everything's tied up there and down here on the wheel hub and everything. And so far so good, you know, no complaints. Man, it looks so good. Can't wait to get rims. If y'all interested in what it looks like while it's riding, here's a mini shoot for you.
Go.